So friends, this is a component services part 2 video here. And last previous video I'm told you how many type settings in my control panel systems and how many type settings in component service windows, and why using these component services I'm already told you in my part 1 video. So we are continue this video last topic. So watch my previous video because this is a very important, because sometimes you not understand, because some very important some methods and some systems here you cannot directly maybe not understand. So let's start. Click on bell icon, click on subscribe button, and click on like button for my motivation. So let's start here. So we are just talking about only for three type available in options, but I'm just not talk about you can see a local. Okay, local. Why local give this? Because this is a local, these systems here, system component windows here. Okay, and what is a component services? Why this type component service give in Windows 10? I already told you. And my computer. So what is a my computer? This is a my main computer, and my computer inside how much devices attach and work here, and how much services start every time, every milliseconds. Okay, so without, you can see com plus application, decom config, running process, and distribution transaction different type available. I will discuss one by one, and what is why you this type 4 folders. You can see 4 folder like this type, and I'm just large icon already. So this is enough by these operating systems here. So you can see com plus application, my computer inside. You can check here, and either you can click on this tree to see this is a tree type a settings available. So it's called tree. Okay, so remember com plus application, I'm working from here. And what is a com plus application? Some application not directly open because they are always work three type working process. Background process. Okay, you cannot watch and not you cannot see background but you can access your you want access your software, your systems, and maybe it not work background process. So stop it, stop it your software. Second is your network. Okay, so this is application, all of application available component file available every computer and every system, and they are always using a different type roles, different type parts, different type complex complex type, and different type programming files. So without, why we are using a software, you know about. Okay, so we are using software only for based to result for work and based result for fast work, and without software we cannot using more services. So software need two type main system: software services different type component files, component services file. So this component services console, you can see here everything here. So com plus application means application work only here. Okay, and what is a decom config? Decom config means different type manage connected your systems, everything your file processors available inside here. You can see here just this type. This is large of system data here, and any component you can cannot change, you cannot delete, you cannot, you can see, and click on properties, you can see every, you can see just only, but not change location, not change security. And this is my application ID. What is the application ID? Means this file number here, and number this, know about this operating system, this process, and this, browser broke server project properties. So this you can see here, who is the services work. So you can see left side here, this is my start menu, start, and click here, this type open. Why this type process automatically? How can identify Windows operating system? Because all time, every time, millisecond, this type services, this type files working in your systems. And you can see a security, I cannot change. Why I cannot change? Because this already in security side by your operating systems, and you cannot change. But you want more know about, you can go online, okay, and take more knowledge. And the second things very important for running process. What is a running process? System application, and you can see 2180. What is a system application? System application means your main computer applications here, just like Notepad, everything. So everything inbuilt this type services available in your main computer. And what is a main computer? Your computer means this is a main your computer, not your server, not your. I'm just talking about only private computer. Okay, so these type services available in private systems, in system applications. But you connect your servers, your computer connect with your server. So this type process always work with different type systems available, because this process work only for workplace, not I'm joining domain. Okay, so you can see here, I'm just click on here and dump. What is a dump? And I will discuss some video after. But this time, without this all of services and your running process, you cannot start your computer, not work computer. You can see a firewall. What is a firewall? Firewall is one type of security for network and your data and everything. You can adjust. What is a firewall? I will discuss in a control panel. Okay, so just you can see here computer completely here, and component services. This now cut it, this name showing services. Event waiver. What is an event waiver? Event waiver showing different types your information. What is the services? All of your main services, start, stop, anything. So component services, why this key in a component? I'm already told you, but today I'm just perfectly these three tab available in why three tab, because this is a very important system application, just like your notepad, your start menu, anything. So every process systems, every systems start from here, and you can see only. But anytime your system not working, so you can check here. Okay, and running time process here. Okay, so this is a very important running processes, and not running time processes, not this com application important, decom config important, system application important, distributor transaction important, everything component services depend different type, every files main services. So without main file services you cannot change without permission your main administrator, your computer and your computer systems. Here you can see I'm click on system applications. You can see here every application work different type application services and files with background and foreground. Okay, so foreground means you can see here this tab you cannot watching in your application inside, but background start process you cannot see, but you start your application, just like I'm give example Adobe Reader or Photoshop you can see, you can change your, but Photoshop background help services of files of services with different type, application background processes, and then after you can start your computer, you can start your software. These type services, no, without these type services you cannot start your computer, not start your systems, and not start your software. So all of important first main operating systems and main operating systems with hardware different type services available in component services and the different type, you can change here. You can see here I'm up down different type available in here. Okay, and the first thing about different tools available in this operating system. Why control panel using, why using different type, because all of depend operating system, and already I'm not installed this default installed by Microsoft company, and already inbuilt this softwares in this Windows operating system. Windows operating system lot of settings inside, but you want to first know about why settings we change here, why changing, and changing after how can we, you know what is the effect, and what is the decom and running different tasks available in the system 32. What is the system 32? So you can see a system 32 all of different tab files and available in the component services running process. You can always know about so all of these work with same process, but result different tab give distributed transactions, and transaction list, and the different tabs, but all of file store in one separate folder system, and system windows system. Okay, so Windows partition C, partition C I'm already told you, and I will discuss later. Transaction list, what is a transaction list? This is a different tab transaction list. You can make IDs different tabs available in systems. You can see nothing here, I'm not transaction any information in this systems here. So this is a component services, very cool work here, and you can change not, but you can only watch and your analyze your systems, and you analyze your, you know check your system services, and for files different types available in your systems. So this is a very good component services for administrative tools inside an administrator guide to component services, different type component services files. So cut it. So this is a very good every for component services facts. So I will discuss event viewer next video. Okay, and what is the event viewer, why using event viewer. So thanks for watching my video.